In this video, you are going to see some of the best air-purifying indoor plants by NASA approved.
Peace lily or spathiphyllum, they are one of the best air-filtering indoor plant. The NASA Clean Air study found that spathiphyllum cleans indoor air of certain environmental contaminants, including benzene and formaldehyde.
Spider plant, it does well with average humidity and cool to average temperature, although it can tolerate warmer conditions. It is a plant that produces oxygen at night and will leave your home feeling fresh and airy. Rubber plants do best with bright, indirect sunlight, such as an east-facing window. They release moisture, which helps to increase humidity levels indoors, reducing respiratory allergies, inflammation, and asthma. Finally, snake plants, also known as Sansevieria, can purify the air inside your home, as its leaves absorb a variety of toxins. The perfect plants to attract money, prosperity, and good energy. Gover Garden Centre, Al Warsan 3 Dubai.